When it comes to making your home more energy efficient, replacing your windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. In Frederick, where the climate varies from hot summers to cold winters, residential window replacement is not only a cost-effective way to reduce energy consumption but also a way to improve comfort, aesthetics, and overall home value. Here's why replacing your windows can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. Energy loss through old windows. Older windows are one of the primary culprits of energy loss in many homes. Traditional single-pane windows, which were common in homes built before the 1980s, have poor insulation capabilities. They allow cold drafts to enter during the winter and warm air to escape in the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. Even newer windows that are worn out or improperly sealed can contribute to inefficiency. If you notice that your energy costs are rising, drafty windows could be to blame. How window replacement improves energy efficiency. Modern windows, particularly energy-efficient models, are designed to combat these issues. Double or triple pane windows with insulating gas between the panes significantly reduce heat transfer. This means that in the winter, the warm air inside your home stays where it belongs, and in the summer, the cool air is retained, preventing your HVAC system from overworking. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows come with low emissivity coatings that help control the amount of heat that passes through the glass, further enhancing insulation. In a region like Frederick, where temperatures can swing drastically throughout the year, windows that improve insulation can make a huge difference. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can prevent the constant battle between your heating or cooling system and the fluctuating outside temperature, which results in significant energy savings. Benefits beyond energy saving. While the immediate benefit of window replacement is the reduction in energy costs, the advantages extend far beyond just saving money. One of the most noticeable differences is the increase in comfort. Replacing old, drafty windows helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, eliminating cold spots during winter and reducing the need for air conditioning in the summer. New windows can also reduce outside noise. If you live near a busy street or in a neighborhood where noise is a concern, energy-efficient windows with proper seals can provide a quieter living environment, making your home more peaceful and relaxing. Another often overlooked benefit is the boost in your home's aesthetics. Modern window designs can give your home a fresh, updated look. Whether you prefer classic styles or contemporary designs, there's a window solution that can complement your home's architectural style. Upgraded windows can improve your curb appeal, which in turn can increase the value of your home. Should you decide to sell in the future, potential buyers will appreciate the energy-efficient upgrades and may be willing to pay more for a home that's already optimized for energy savings. Reducing your carbon footprint. In today's world, many homeowners are also becoming more environmentally conscious. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models reduces the overall demand for energy. By using less energy to heat or cool your home, you're lowering your carbon footprint and doing your part to help the environment. Plus, many manufacturers now offer windows made from sustainable materials, further aligning with eco-friendly values. The right time to replace your windows in Frederick's climate calls for both cold winters and hot summers, making it the ideal location to consider window replacement. If your home has older windows, you may already be experiencing higher energy bills or discomfort due to drafts and temperature swings. Window replacement is particularly beneficial if you notice condensation on your windows, difficulty opening or closing the windows, or if the window frames have become warped or damaged. By investing in quality window replacement, you're not just making your home more energy efficient, you're also enhancing its comfort, value, and overall sustainability. The initial investment may seem significant, but the long-term savings on energy bills and the other benefits make it a worthwhile decision for homeowners in Frederick. Conclusion. In Frederick, residential window replacement is one of the most effective ways to improve energy efficiency, reduce your carbon footprint, and enhance the overall comfort and value of your home. Whether you're looking to save on energy bills, reduce outside noise, or increase your home's appeal, replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient options is a smart choice. So, if your windows are aging, consider replacing them. Your wallet, your comfort, and the planet will thank you.